Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome back if you're a returning subscriber. My name's Johnathon. I make luxury videos, unboxings, and reviews. And today's video, we have a Louis Vuitton unboxing. So let's get into it. So before I get started with today's video, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. I make videos every Friday on luxury content, men's style, luxury unboxings, you name it, it's here on this channel. So if you like that kind of content, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you want to see what I got from Louis Vuitton, then keep on watching. So I've mentioned this item maybe like once or twice on my channel before. I've been wanting to get this item. I just never been able to pull the plunge and to be able to actually go out and buy it. However, I was stalking the Louis Vuitton website recently, and we all know bad things happen when you stalk the Louis Vuitton website. So this thing became available online and I just immediately checked out. So I'll give you guys a little bit of a hint. This does complete my trifecta set. I know that probably gave it away, but let's just get into the unboxing. So because I did order it online, it does come in this brown box, which is really like incognito. So that way the UPS drivers or the courier drivers don't necessarily know what's inside. So here there is a little bit of a tab. So I'm just gonna pull the tab. And it does say Louis Vuitton. And so opening it up, wow, this is actually a pretty big box. Okay, so this is the box that it did come in. Granted, the size of this box is probably a little bit way too big for the item itself, but we'll get into that in a minute. So this is the receipt that it did come with. So it does come with like your care card, your return labels, as well as gift receipts. So this does retail in Canada for 665 Canadian dollars, and just after tax, it's about 750 Canadian dollars. So we'll put this to the side and we'll get into the unboxing. Okay, so this literally came today and I've been waiting to open it with you guys. I wanted to shoot this video and I wanted to get first impressions with you instead of opening it and then filming the unboxing. So I was like at work waiting, got the notification that it was here, and I was like super excited to open it, but I knew I had to film this video. So let's just open it. So I'm just gonna pull the ribbon. Oh, looks like a double knot in it. Okay. It's like I haven't opened Louis Vuitton in so long. So it does come with a magnetic box, and this is the item. I'm just gonna put the box down. So any guesses as to what this might be? This is the Toiletry Pouch 26. I'm so happy that I'm actually able to add this into my collection. This is probably one of the harder toiletry pouches to find, and this is the last one to complete my trifecta set. So I'm just gonna look it over. Oh my gosh, and this one is made in Spain. So fun fact, all of my toiletry pouches are currently made in Spain, and that just makes me happy. I'm just super happy about that. I know a lot of people want them made in France, but I actually was hoping to get a made in Spain one, just so that way my trifecta set is actually a complete trifecta, because they're all made in Spain. My toiletry pouch 15 is made in Spain, my 19 is made in Spain, and now my 26 is made in Spain. So similar to the other toiletry pouches, this is made out of one complete canvas. So you'll notice that the LVs are right side up, and then if you were to flip it around, the LVs are going to be upside down, like so. And so you also do get the vachetta tab. Here it does say where it's made, and mine, as I mentioned, is made in Spain. As well as you get the brass hardware. So I'm just gonna open this up. And then inside, similar to the other toiletry pouches, you do get that wipeable man-made lining. And I'm just going to show you the cards. So you do get the 2 textile cards. This one, the day code is actually UB1230. So that means it was made on the 13th week of 2021. And then you do get the textile card, and this one says coated fabric, cowhide leather trim, man-made lining. So that is really fun. I'm just super happy that I'm able to actually add this into my collection. And then you'll notice that the date code is actually featured on this side as well. Fun thing that I actually did notice is this date code is actually embossed in gold. So I was actually curious because my other toiletry pouches are just stamped on, but this one actually has like gold lettering on there, which is pretty cool. So yeah, the reason why that they called this the Toiletry Pouch 26 is because it is 26 centimeters across, and I just absolutely love it. A lot of people use this as like a mini clutch, and fun fact, the reason why this became so popular is because Princess Diana back in the day was actually seen using this as a clutch. So a lot of people started to follow that trend and wanted to start using it as a clutch, which makes it really hard to come after. So if you're able to score one of these on the Louis Vuitton website or find one in store, highly recommend you getting it. A lot of people actually also do convert this into a little bag. So there's so many different ways that you can use this. And for less than 1,000 Canadian dollars, you get like a handbag, you get a clutch, you get a toiletry pouch. You have so many different ways that you can actually go about using this. So I highly recommend. I'm not 100% sure as to what I'm going to possibly use this for. I am thinking about using it as a clutch or to just carry a lot of my like tech stuff, like my chargers, portable cameras, stuff like that, if I have it when I'm going traveling. So I'm super happy that I was able to add this into my collection. Thank you so much for watching. I really do hope you enjoyed this video. This was my Louis Vuitton unboxing of the Toiletry Pouch 26. Question of the day is, out of all of the toiletry pouch sizes, which one is your favorite? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one.